Understanding the circuit of trust. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we will explore the intriguing phrase, circuit of trust. This concept is not just a collection of words but a profound idea that plays a significant role in personal and professional relationships. If you're ready to dive deep into the world of trust, then you're in the right place. The phrase, circuit of trust, refers to a loop or a continuous cycle where trust is built, maintained, and reinforced among individuals or within groups. Imagine it as an electric circuit. For the current, in this case, trust, to flow smoothly, every component, individuals or groups, must be connected and functioning properly. If there's a break in the circuit, the flow of trust is interrupted. 1. Building trust. This is the initial phase where individuals or groups start interacting and begin to rely on each other's abilities, consistency, and integrity. 2. Maintaining trust. Once trust is established, it's crucial to maintain it. This involves keeping communication open, being consistent in actions, and upholding commitments. 3. Reinforcing trust. Over time, trust needs to be reinforced. This can be done through positive reinforcement, acknowledging each other's efforts, and showing appreciation for the trust placed. Unfortunately, just as trust can be built, it can also be broken. This can happen due to broken promises. Not keeping a commitment can lead to a breach in trust. Miscommunication. Lack of clear communication can lead to misunderstandings and distrust. Inconsistency. If actions are not consistent with words, it can erode the foundation of trust. Repairing trust is challenging but not impossible. It involves acknowledgement of mistakes. Owning up to one's errors is the first step in rebuilding trust. Open communication. Discuss the issues openly and honestly to clear up any misunderstandings. Consistent effort. Consistently showing through actions that one is committed to rebuilding trust. The circuit of trust is a delicate and ongoing process, integral to healthy relationships and effective teamwork. Like any circuit, it requires careful construction, maintenance, and sometimes repair, to ensure the continuous flow of trust. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of building, maintaining, and sometimes repairing the trust in your personal and professional life. Remember, a strong circuit of trust can illuminate the path to success and fulfillment. Until next time, keep building those connections.